knowing who we are. There is a story in Buddhist literature about a man who came up to a monk and said, "When I look at you, I see a pig." And the monk said, "And when I look at you, I see the Buddha." The man said, "How is that?" The monk replied, "Well, what you see is what you are on the inside. If you see the Buddha, then you are the Buddha. If you see a pig,
is dwelling in my heart. He and I are one. All this joy He gives to me through Christ His Son. And with Jesus in my heart, what am I to fear? For He is the Son.
the Talmud tells us that we do not see things as they are. We see things as we are. The spiritual life begins with knowing who we are. Our needs then flow from this identity. And this is why the question, who are we, is so important. Day and night, there are negative messages all around us from people who want to tell us who they think we are.